Evaluate this integral using the trapezoidal rule with four not rectangles, with four trapezoids. Well, we set up the formula. So what we're going to do, we are going to set, or rather to type this square root of x plus, oh, hold on, it was supposed to be the cube root. Never mind. Okay, let me fix it real quick. Cube root. All right, so that's the cube root of what is this? Okay, cube root of x plus x to the 6. So let's go to the graphing calculator. So that's y equals, here is where we're going to go math to type number 4 to get the cube root. And then what are we going to do? Type x plus x raised to the 6th power. So that's the function, and notice how this function is stored or linked to the y's of 1, all right? So we are going to repeat the same process we did for the previous examples, all right? So in this case, well, let me second quit to the calculation. So again, what I would like to do is do all this calculation using the calculator. And well, notice in this case we're using the letter F for the function. Our graphing calculator uses the Y letter, but it's going to be the same. And again, keep in mind that the first term and the last term have a coefficient of 1/2 as opposed to the previous methods, that is the midpoint, the right end point, and the left end point, which none of those have what's it called, a coefficient there. All right, so let's go for it. So that'll be 1/2. Okay, vars, y vars, number 1 function, y sub 1, and evaluate that at the lower endpoint, that is a, which is, what is that, 1, right? Close parentheses, plus, okay, the remaining terms except the last one won't have a coefficient. So let's go. That'll be vars, y vars, function number 1, click enter, choose y sub 1, and evaluate, open parentheses to evaluate it at 1.5. Close parentheses, plus vars, y vars, function, y sub 1, and open parentheses to evaluate it at 2. Okay, close parentheses once you're done evaluating it at 2. And then plus y vars, function, y sub 1, and okay, and then open parentheses to evaluate it at what's next, 2.5, which is our x sub 3. Okay, so be careful because, oh, not 2.3, 2.5, right? Oh, what? 2.5, got it. All right, but notice again, be careful because 2.5 is the second to the last term. The last term, we need to multiply that by 1/2. So that one, so plus 1/2 vars, y vars, function, choose y1, open parentheses to evaluate it at 3. And close parentheses. So that's what you are supposed to set on your graphing calculator. Once you get that, well, click enter. That's going to give us only the inside of the parentheses. Let me go t sub 4 equals to 1/2 times the quantity. What was that? 17.7933. 17.7933, right? All right, and well, dividing this by 2, so divide that by 2. Don't round down till the very end, and well, I'm going to keep 4 decimals. All right, that's going to be 8.8967, approximately 8.8967. All right, so that's our final answer of evaluating this integral using the trapezoidal rule. And again, there was a little typo on the notes. It was supposed to have a cube root, an index 3 on the radical on the integral. So, and you can see that over here in the function in red in the picture. All right. Okay.